Muscles are the engine of motion. They power every move we make, from a gentle wave to a powerful leap. Muscles are made of bundles of fibers. Imagine these fibers like long, thin ropes. Each fiber is packed with even smaller units called sarcomeres. Inside each sarcomere, there are proteins called actin and myosin. These proteins are arranged like overlapping strands. When a muscle receives a signal from the brain, these strands slide past each other. This sliding motion, repeated millions of times, is what causes a muscle to contract and produce force. Think of it like rowing a boat. Actin and myosin are like the oars, and the sarcomere is like the boat. As the oars move, they pull the boat forward. Similarly, as actin and myosin slide past each other, they shorten the sarcomere, causing the muscle to contract. This is how we move. Muscle contractions require energy, just like a car needs fuel. This energy comes from a molecule called ATP, which stands for adenosine triphosphate. Think of ATP as the energy currency of your cells. ATP is like a rechargeable battery. When it's fully charged, it has 3 phosphate groups. When energy is needed, one phosphate group is broken off, releasing energy. This process is called ATP hydrolysis. The human body has various ways to produce ATP. One way is through aerobic respiration, which uses oxygen to break down glucose from the food we eat. Another way is through anaerobic respiration, which doesn't require oxygen but produces less ATP. During intense exercise, our muscles sometimes need energy faster than our bodies can deliver oxygen. When this happens, our muscles switch to anaerobic respiration. This process produces lactic acid as a byproduct. As lactic acid builds up in our muscles, it causes the acidity inside the muscle cells to increase. This is like adding lemon juice to water. It lowers the pH. This increased acidity interferes with the muscle's ability to contract, leading to fatigue. Think of it like this. Imagine your muscles are like a car engine. Lactic acid is like exhaust fumes. As the engine works harder, it produces more exhaust. If too much exhaust builds up, it can choke the engine and cause it to stall. Similarly, too much lactic acid can hinder muscle performance. Muscle contractions are also controlled by electrical signals. These signals are created by the movement of ions, which are electrically charged particles. The most important ions involved in muscle function are potassium, sodium, and calcium. During intense exercise, the balance of these ions inside and outside of muscle cells can be disrupted. This disruption, called ionic imbalance, can interfere with the electrical signals that control muscle contractions. Imagine a battery with positive and negative terminals. For the battery to work, there needs to be a balance of charges. Similarly, for muscles to contract properly, there needs to be a balance of ions. When this balance is disrupted, it's like having a short circuit in the battery, leading to muscle fatigue.